Hi, my name is Haley. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I always think I look so funny with just like my eyebrows on, but whatever. But anyway, hello, welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm Haley. That's all there is to it. I'm Haley. Okay, it looks like I have like two things sticking out of my head and it's just my hair. Anyway, yeah, so for today's video, I am going to be following a Jaclyn Hill makeup tutorial. I have it on my phone. Oh my god, you could hear it. It is her rose gold purple makeup look. Before we get into this video, before I just start going at it with the eyes, make sure to subscribe and like this video and comment down any videos you would like to see in the future. If this goes well, then I think it would be fun to do a makeup tutorial with from someone else and really Jeffree Star, or I could even recreate my makeup that I did when I was younger. Oh my god, I was watching a video today and things have changed for sure. I'm gonna screen record the video on my phone. Oh, that's the flashlight. And 3, 2, 1. Is it screen recording? Yeah. Right? I'm always scared it's not. 3, 2, 1, go. Add. Oh, I need the volume.
First, fill out your beauty profile. Then we'll mail you a stylish
Skip ad. Ooh, Jaclyn! It's so weird doing this, like, because I can see the video and you guys can't, but when I go back and edit this, you guys will be able to see the video outside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look that you see right here. I am just like in a good mood right now because this backdrop is just giving me...
I have a white backdrop and she has like this really pretty purple backdrop.
I don't know if I've ever filmed with a purple sparkly backdrop before, but I was like, I feel like it's very appropriate for this look. I actually just started playing with makeup earlier today because I got a new palette in the mail and oh my god, my dog is snoring.
And I think the new palette is the 3502 palette.
I got a new palette in the mail today, the 3502, and I was just like, I have to play with this. I played with it yesterday and I had to play with it again today, and I just had like this fun look in mind, so I was kind of like was messing around and it turned into like a full glam look, and then I got on Snapchat and I was immediately blown up with requests to film a video on this look. So I thought I have to do it now. It's either now or never for me, but I'm just obsessed with this look. I can't stop looking at it in the viewfinder because it's like rose gold to purple to like orange and copper. Like
Okay, I'm gonna skip this.
I have to use exactly what I am using. This is what inspired me. These are the palettes that I wanted to use, but you guys can use anything that you have at home. I'm pretty sure I say that in the tutorial as well. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this new Morphe palette right here. This is the 3502. I know a lot of people tend to complain in my videos when I use Morphe palettes, but it's difficult for me because I have such a huge request to use their palettes, but then when I upload videos using them,
I'm really scared. Okay, I need to grab these brushes.
Who doesn't want to purchase a Morphe palette for whatever reason, and you don't want to buy this palette and recreate this look that I'm doing today, you can recreate this look with any palette or any eyeshadows that you have. Anytime I ever use anything here on my channel, you guys do not feel like you have to go with the exact same thing. You can recreate this with whatever you have at home. With that being said, I'm going to pick up the first shade and the third shade in the palette, these two right here. I'm going to mix those together on a fluffy brush.
The first shade and the third shade? I don't have me too.
I'm playing on my iPad right now. It's so hard not to just like stop and focus on it. I'm like, alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that right in the crease of the eye and start buffing that outward. If you don't have a defined crease, that's the beauty of makeup. You can create a crease for yourself. Just do the exact same motions and your makeup will turn out pretty. And if you want to make this super pigmented,
I think I have that brush. Hold on. Oh god. I dropped the palette.
It's super pigmented in here as well. I'm not going to get crazy pigmented in there. Like as the product is leaving my brush, I'm just going to lightly bring it in there, but I want the outer corner to be a little bit more intense than my inner corner.
Okay, we're gonna pause. I gotta do this. That's as good as it's gonna get. Okay.
Here in the second row, second one in, it's like a really deep kind of
I got it.
Color, but I love it. I love me some poopy and some pukey browns. I'm just gonna put that right over top of what we just did in that outer crease area. make sure after applying every color, when you basically have nothing left on your brush, you always like just bring that upward and make sure that everything is really blended together. Alright, I'm just going to use some translucent powder and...
Pause. Okay.
Carve this out. I do this in every single video, so I don't even feel like I should explain myself really anymore why I'm doing this, because it's just getting redundant. I just changed the angle on my camera because I felt like it was like looking down on me and you guys couldn't really see what I was doing, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing better now. Alright, now I'm going to grab this gorgeous orange shade right here in the very center of the palette, and I'm going to take that.
What the heck was that? So she said to take this orange shade and it just looks like...
put that right over top again.
With this
For me,
brush?
makeup, especially a smoky eye, is all about layering. I don't even know what I mean when I say especially a smoky eye. I feel like that same way with my face. Like when it comes to like primer and then like foundation and concealer and then just like a little bit of powder here and powder under the eyes. Like I think that you're going to get the best results when you layer makeup. So if you're ever wondering why I go in with like 15 different shades in the outer corner, I just feel like at the end you get such a blended, beautiful, blown out, flawless effect that that's why I take those steps every single time.
It feels like she's going so fast, but I know it probably took her like the same amount of time that it's taking me. But yeah, this looks a little funky. It's up a little bit. Okay, anyway.
Using the very beginning on the brush, just because now that I have that darker color on, I want to really make sure that it's totally blended out. So just with a little bit of those first two shades, I'm going to go over the edges of what I just did. I'm still using the exact same brush that I started off with. I have not changed that yet. Alright, so now I'm going to grab this gorgeous, like intense, hot, kind of pinky red shade. I'm going to mix it with this orange shade in the center that I've been using, just because this all by itself is going to be a little bit too pink for the look that I'm going for. So mixing it and combining it with this one is going to make it a little bit more of like a terracotta red and not as much of like a pink red. And I'm switching it out for a little bit of a smaller brush right now.
Oh my. So I have this Real Techniques brush that probably won't do the job, but...
the crease area. And just bring it over this way in like a rainbow windshield wiper motions.
Oh, wrong color. Okay, this isn't going too bad. Interesting. So I believe that's it for the 3502 palette, but you never know, so I'm going to switch it up from the Jaclyn Hill palette because that's the one she's currently using. And so she's saying take this color right here, as you guys can see in the video.
Right now, I'm going to go in with the shade Hunty right here, like that really orange, intense kind of like brick red. I'm going to take a little bit of that and just deepen this area.
Okay, I have like both palettes balancing on my lap right now.
This shimmery pink shade right here, it has like a little bit of other shadow on it because I was playing with it earlier. I'm going to take that on just a flat brush like this one right here. This is a MAC 240.
And I'm just using the other side of a naked brush I got with one of the palettes.
Spray with some MAC Fix Plus so that it goes on really, really easy and metallic. And I'm going to just dab this all over the lid. Gosh, this color is so awesome.
And spray it a little bit more.
Really pat, and the product is just going to go right under the lid so easily. So now I'm going to grab my palette and I'm going to go in with the shade Royalty right here, which is this purple that basically perfectly matches my background. And then with the purple, I'm just going to go right over top of that entire lid. I just wanted to lay that pink down first as a base because I wanted it to kind of like shine through the purple, you know what I'm saying? I'm just going to pat this all over the place. Definitely the heaviest and the most pigmented low down by the lash line where I'm at right now. And then as we get higher, I will go in with less product and kind of let it fade out a little bit.
And see, this is where I feel like everything just goes wrong. Do you guys see this? I think it's because like this mirror isn't working well. It's okay. Next time.
So many vibrant and gorgeous, like intense pops of color. I'm gonna take this.
I don't
matte
have
It's like
that.
It's like
kind of like a deeper lilac almost.
I have
I'm
a
gonna
mixed
mix that with the
palette.
shade Soda
pop from my palette, which is this super, super dark purple right here that almost looks like a blackish, like deep brown, but it is purple. I'm just gonna mix those two shades together. And then I'm just gonna go right there in a crease with both of those shades and then just kind of marry that lid color and that transition color together.
This isn't going well.
I'm just gonna put this powder on my under eye area since I'm starting to blend. I don't want.
Okay, hold on. Let's just hold for a minute. Okay, I'm gonna put the 3502 palette down. As you can see, I'm very stressed out. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I need this little mirror because the mirror that I was gonna use isn't working right. Okay. So, this color is literally not picking up anything.
3 hours later.
Okay. I'm just a mess. Okay.
I have a bunch of fallout and ruin my foundation or my face powder at all.
Well, mine's already
I'm gonna go in with that
ruined.
exact same purple shade that I've been working with from the Sephora Pro palette on like a much tiny, smaller blending brush. I'm gonna take just a little bit of that and bring it into this area. I actually would like to have a brush even smaller than this, but mine are dirty right now. I don't want to go in with a dirty brush, so I'm gonna just use this one. I'm gonna dip back.
Pause. Oh my god. I thought this, I truly thought this was gonna be, easy. I was so wrong.
Orange shade right there in the Morphe palette, and just really, really lightly, I'm going to go right over the edge of that purple with that orange just to kind of bring it all together because I don't want it to be like a harsh stop with that purple eyeshadow, you know? Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this gorgeous, like,
Okay, going pretty well.
rose gold. Look at my nails, they're covered in powder. This gorgeous rose gold shade right here in the palette, like this is one of my favorite shimmers in the palette. It just like speaks to me, and I love the idea of putting it over a purple. I just think it looks gorgeous together. It's such a pretty color over top of this eye look because it kind of like complements the crease color and the purple and just kind of brings it all together and makes it one. I'm just putting it right there in the center.
Oh,
And then just really subtly blending it out. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with the matte orange right here from the Morphe palette. And I'm also going to grab this.
we can fix this. We can fix this. Okay.
shade Hunty from my palette, which is right here. I'm going to mix those two shades together equally on a pencil brush and just blend it out on my lower lash line.
Well, hold
I'm
on.
going to go in.
So the orange and Hunty. Okay, make like you guys like. Okay, I'll see you.
I'm going to take some gel liner. This is the Maybelline Eye Studio in the shade Black is Black. Just a little brush, any brush will do. I'm going to pop this in my inner waterline right there on my lower lash. Okay, I'm going to go back in with that really intense matte red pink right here. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of this one as well. You know me, I'm always mixing colors from palettes. It's like when I have an entire palette sitting in front of me, I don't want to just be limited to using like one color. Like I have to dip my brush into like 2 or 3 every single time. I'm going to mix a little bit of those two because I don't want it to be too intense. I'm going to like dull it down a little bit with that color, and I'm just going to go right over top of that purple and blend it all together. First color in my palette right here, this is the shade in Light, and I'm just going to pop that on the inner corner of my eye for a little highlight. You know how I do. do.
Oh, lashes. Okay, I'm doing that off camera. Hold on. Let me just... Okay, so this is like the eye look thus far. So I'll be right back and I'm gonna do my lashes off camera. So, okay, hi, I'm back. I put on my eyelashes. Yes, this one is so much different than this one. I don't care. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty dang well. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And I'm sorry if the lighting sucked. See you guys in my next video. Bye!